Hi, it is very easy to allocate an expense to a department or production line. In simpliRP ERP, go to Payments, Payment Deletion, select the date range. Here, click on the Allocate button. Against the payment you want to link, please select the department or production line or a machine ID. That's it. You can now see the changes are affected. Likewise, when you go to the individual expense report, in the bottom there is a link for allocation report. Click that. Please select the date range and the expense ledger name. You can also filter it by department or production line. You can see the allocation is already appearing in that report. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your accounts department. Thank you.